What does a benefits coordinator do? Hey there, my name is Josh. I'm the founder of HR University. And before we jump in, take a moment to subscribe to our channel, and that way you don't miss any of our future lessons, just like this, on how to become a great management professional. Now let's go ahead and get started. So organizations offer several types of employee benefits, including health insurance, retirement plans, paid time off, flexible work arrangements, wellness programs, and employee assistance programs. And a benefits coordinator is a professional who manages employee benefits. Their job is to ensure that employees have access to the necessary benefits and understand how to use them. Benefits coordinators are part of the HR department in organizations. And we'll go ahead and take a closer look at the main responsibilities of a benefits coordinator here. So the first responsibility of a benefits coordinator is managing benefits enrollment. And benefits coordinators assist employees with enrollment and benefits programs. They act as a liaison between employees and the employer's benefits programs, guiding employees through enrollment and helping them select the benefits options that best suit their needs. And benefits coordinators work with HR departments to ensure that employees receive information about the benefits program offered by their employers. And they also communicate details about the benefits plans, eligibility requirements, coverage options, and enrollment deadlines to employees in an easily understandable manner. And employees often have many questions about their benefits options, including which plan is best for them, the costs, and also how to enroll. And benefits coordinators answer employees' questions through often one-on-one meetings or group sessions. And benefits coordinators help employees navigate the enrollment process, completing enrollment forms, providing guidance on the types of benefits to select, and ensuring the submission of all necessary documentation. And benefits coordinators also help employees troubleshoot issues during enrollment, such as technical glitches, missing information, or other problems. And benefits coordinators are responsible for tracking employee enrollment in benefits programs and ensuring the submission of the required information. And they also keep track of deadlines and provide reminders to employees as needed. And another major responsibility of benefits coordinators is compliance and reporting related to employee benefits and compensation. They are responsible for ensuring their organization complies with all relevant laws and regulations and generating reports on benefits usage and costs. And benefits coordinators must stay up to date with all relevant laws and regulations related to employee benefits and compensation, including the Affordable Care Act or ACA, the Family and Medical Leave Act or FMLA, and the Americans with Disabilities Act, so the ADA, among others. And they must ensure their organization complies with these laws and regulations and promptly implements any changes or updates. And benefits coordinators are responsible for generating reports on employee benefits usage and costs. And these reports help their organization better understand how benefits are being utilized and where they can reduce costs. The reports also include information on healthcare costs, retirement plan participation rates, and employee contributions to benefits programs. And benefits coordinators prepare and submit documents related to government programs such as Social Security or workers' compensation. And they must ensure that these documents are accurate, complete, and submitted on time in order to avoid any penalties or legal issues. And benefits coordinators must communicate with employees about their rights and benefits under the law and any changes or updates to benefits programs. They must also provide employees with the necessary information and resources to make informed decisions about their benefits. And benefits coordinators coordinate with insurance providers to ensure proper management of their organization's benefit programs and that employees receive the support and coverage that they need. And benefits coordinators are responsible for selecting insurance providers that offer coverage that meets their organization's needs and budget. And they evaluate the quality of services offered by insurance providers, including their customer service, claims processing, and network of healthcare providers. And benefits coordinators negotiate contracts and rates with insurance providers, ensuring that their organization receives the best terms and pricing. And they also work with insurance providers to develop customized plans or benefits packages that meet their organization's needs. And benefits coordinators work with insurance providers to manage employee claims and payments as well. And they work to ensure quick and accurate claims processing and that employees receive coverage and reimbursement on time. And benefits coordinators are employees' primary points of contact with questions or concerns about their insurance coverage. And they work with insurance providers to resolve issues and ensure that employees receive the support that they need. And benefits coordinators assist with payroll, particularly concerning employee benefits and compensation. And they also do this to ensure accurate and timely processing of employee benefit deductions. And they update employee records to reflect benefits enrollment, status, or coverage changes and ensure they are reflected in payroll. And benefits coordinators work with payroll to coordinate employee contributions to benefit plans such as health insurance, retirement saving plans, or flexible spending accounts. And they also help employees to understand their contribution options and the impact that these contributions will have on their take-home pay. And benefit coordinators process payroll-related benefit transactions such as their 401k loan repayments, garnishments, or child support orders. And they're responsible for ensuring the accurate processing of these transactions as well, and their compliance with relevant laws and regulations. They also provide information and support to payroll on matters related to employee benefits and compensation, such as changes in benefits offering, new tax regulations, or updates to employee records. And they assist with payroll-related reporting and compliance requirements. And for benefit coordinator roles, employers prefer a bachelor's degree in human resources or a related field, along with human resources and benefits experience. And a professional certification, such as a certified employee benefit specialist or others, can help you stand out from the competition and demand a higher salary. Candidates also need familiarity with payroll and benefit software, excellent communication, and strong organizational skills to succeed here. And finally, we come to the salary. So according to Glassdoor, the average annual salary for a benefits coordinator is $52,340 in the US. And there you have it. We just went over the main responsibilities of a benefit coordinator, requirements for the role, and their average salary. And if you feel like you have a better understanding of this role, then make sure to go ahead and like this video and subscribe to our channel. And that way you can keep up to date with everything HR. And I'll go ahead and see you in some of our other lessons and videos. And again, my name is Josh. I'm the founder of HR University here and can't wait to learn a bit more with you. Cheers.